Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we are still pretty much playing around with 14,000. So we got a daily close above 14,000, we got a close below it yesterday, we got a close above it today. We do have what is a fairly good bullish pattern with a nice big juicy inside bar on the daily there. Yeah, at first glance that should indicate that we are moving to the upside, that we are continuing the trend. However, I'm not so sure about that. So you can see the tails, there's two range bars going into the close and then a bit of a buying session into the close yesterday. Yeah, nothing really I can add to this. Yeah, the trend is up. We have had a retest of the 155 EMA. So trend is up. We have broken some structure here. There it is there. So the question is, are we coming back up to test 14,147? I would actually just bring that down a bit. Bring it onto this swing high here. And that would be 14,120. So the question is that what we should be looking for? So we had a pretty good day yesterday. You can see buy stepped in, but then, you know, bit of selling happening up here, and you can see where that level was. Look at all these swing lows here. So just draw in your level and you'll see that's a pretty important area that we need to pay attention to. Okay, so put that into context. We've had a retest of the 155 EMA. We've the moving averages haven't really crossed over into sort of a death cross. They are still in a bullish what do you call it, bullish direction, I suppose. For as long as the 33 is above the 66, it is bullish, and that's exactly what's happening here. That looked like a bit of a crossover happening here. That didn't materialize. We've broken up, we've tested it, and continue up. So I think we'll wait and see what transpires, but there is a bit of a head and shoulders that was formed over the last 2 days. Here's your shoulder, here's your head, and then this little area here is another shoulder. So with that in mind, you're looking for 140.041. If we break and retest that, I'll do that on the 15 minutes, so get above and come back and retest it, then you are, just have to fine tune this again, you're looking for this level here. Okay, so this is a bit of a trend breakout. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. So break, retest here, your stop is below this swing low here, and your target is 14,115. That's the only thing I can see at the moment. I'm not really looking for shorts, only really looking for opportunities to buy into it. But these big wicks here and all these tails that are happening, just an indication of confusion. So big ups, big down, big confusion. Was a green day yesterday. Pretty solid green day, to be honest. It gap up, down, close a gap, and then we rallied. So for me, I suppose they're going to try and defend 1400, and what we're looking for is a weekly close above 1400 at the moment, because then that would set the scene for a little bit more gains, for quite a few more gains, quite a bit more gains. And I think that's what the tussle is at the moment. So we're going to have to watch and see. For me, today is a clear sit in hands day. Not even, I think the DAX does give some opportunities, but I'm just looking at everything, looking at all the forex and everything I've looked at this morning, and there's nothing really that's standing out, and there's no catalyst at the moment. So I'm probably just going to take a long weekend. But anyway, that's me. If you are going to be trading this today, just pay attention to these levels. So these swing lows will be your stop areas. Breakout and retest is your opportunity for a long, and you're looking for 14,115. If it drops below that, I don't think I'd be chasing shorts, not until I get a decent crossover and we're below the 155 here on the hour. So until that happens, the trend is still up. You should be looking for opportunities to buy. Okay, that's it for me. Hope it helps somebody, and if not, money in pocket's always a good trade, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.